In a world where speed is king, we no longer marvel at the prospect of crossing continents in a matter of hours. But what if we could cross entire cities in mere minutes? Welcome to the future of urban air mobility infrastructure, a revolution that's transforming the way we navigate urban jungles. Imagine a world where your commute involves soaring over traffic jams in an electric air taxi or a drone, all while leaving a minimal carbon footprint. This isn't a science fiction movie plot, this is the world as it could be thanks to the latest advancements in urban air mobility infrastructure. At the forefront of this revolution are vertiports. Picture a helipad but for electric air taxis and drones. These platforms serve as landing and takeoff points strategically dotted across cities to ensure efficient and accessible travel. They are the unsung heroes of the urban air mobility landscape, allowing us to take to the skies with ease and efficiency. But what powers these vehicles? Enter charging stations. These hubs are the lifeblood of the urban air mobility ecosystem, ensuring our electric air taxis and drones are always ready to whisk us away to our destinations. They are a testament to human ingenuity, harnessing the power of renewable energy to fuel our air travel dreams. However, navigating the urban skies is not as simple as it sounds. That's where air traffic management systems come into play. These sophisticated networks manage the complex web of air traffic, ensuring that our urban skies are safe and our journeys smooth. They are a testament to our ability to innovate and adapt, turning the dream of urban air mobility into a reality. The story of urban air mobility infrastructure is, in essence, a story of human innovation and progress. It's about dreaming big and then turning those dreams into reality. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible, challenging the status quo, and redefining the way we live. In the world of urban air mobility, the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. We're standing at the precipice of a new era in urban transportation, an era defined by speed, efficiency, and sustainability. To summarize, the advancements in urban air mobility infrastructure, from vertiports to charging stations and air traffic management systems, are transforming our cities and our lives. They're paving the way for a future where we can navigate our urban landscapes with the same ease and efficiency as we navigate the internet. It's a future that's closer than we think, and it's a future that's full of promise. So the next time you're stuck in traffic, look up. The solution to your woes might just be flying overhead.